2007 Big Dog Motorcycles K. Price, $10,900. Mileage, 11,985 miles. Location, Clarksville. Tennessee unleashed the wild spirit of the open road with this stunning 2007 Big Dog K9, a chopper that turns heads and shakes pavement everywhere it rolls. Powered by a massive 117 cubic inch V-twin engine paired with a smooth-shifting Baker 6-speed transmission, this machine delivers raw torque, deep thunder, and pure attitude. The 300mm rear tire gives it that aggressive stance and commanding presence, while the burgundy finish gleams with attitude and class. This K9 is not just a showstopper, it's built to ride hard and ride proud, offering both performance and comfort with a sissy bar and passenger seat for those who dare to join the ride. In excellent condition, this big dog is the perfect blend of power, precision, and pure American muscle, waiting in Clarksville, Tennessee for its next rider to grab the bars and take control. 2009 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 23,000 miles. Location, Okmulgee, Oklahoma. Born from Harley heritage and built to rule the road, this 2009 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper is a one-of-a-kind custom masterpiece with attitude in every inch. Powered by a 96-inch twin-cam engine mated to a 6-speed transmission, this beast growls with classic Harley torque and modern chopper soul. Crafted from a 2009 Heritage Softail frame, it features D&D narrow glide Springer forks, spool front wheel, new chopper tires, and a Prism gas tank that gives it that unmistakable old-school stance. With a king and queen seat, S&S carb and breather, custom rear fender, standalone ignition, and Ron Finch taillight, every detail screams hand-built precision and raw personality. Finished in a custom candy green paint job that glows under the sun, this Harley is both a showpiece and a street dominator if you're ready for a bike that's equal parts art and asphalt. This Softail chopper in Okmulgee, Oklahoma is waiting for the next rider who dares to stand out. 2004 Big Dog Motorcycles Chopper. Price, $14,750. Mileage, 20,215 miles. Location, Woodruff, South Carolina. This 2004 Big Dog Chopper is pure American steel and spirit, wrapped in a bold patriotic flag-themed paint job that commands attention wherever it rolls. With its long, low stance and that unmistakable raked front end, this machine captures everything a true chopper should be: raw, loud, and unapologetically free. The powerful V-twin engine delivers that deep, throaty rumble Big Dog is known for, while the manual transmission keeps you fully connected to the road. Smooth on the highway yet fierce when unleashed, this chopper has been well cared for by just 2 owners and runs as strong as it looks. Whether you're after a head-turning cruiser or a garage centerpiece that bleeds red, white, and blue, this Big Dog chopper from Woodruff, South Carolina is a ride that celebrates freedom with every twist of the throttle. 2005 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price: $14,999. Mileage: 26,956 miles. Location: Naperville, Illinois. This 2005 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling work of art that turns heads and shakes the ground beneath it. Dressed in a stunning custom Diablo paint job, this one-of-a-kind machine blends show-winning style with raw Harley muscle. Underneath, the bold design beats the heart of a Screamin' Eagle 103 motor, delivering thunderous power and that unmistakable Harley growl. The rear air suspension gives it that perfect low-slung stance, while the extremely loud speaker setup ensures you're heard before you're even seen. Fresh off a new rear tire, brakes, and oil change done at Harley, this award-winning Fat Boy, a World of Wheels champion, is ready to ride or show. If you crave a statement bike that mixes attitude, performance, and artistry, this Naperville, Illinois legend is the real deal, firm on price, firm on presence, and impossible to ignore. 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan. Price: $3,950. Mileage: 15,090 miles. Location: Tempe, Arizona. This 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 cubic centimeters is the perfect blend of classic cruiser style and reliable modern performance. A bike that's as ready for open highways as it is for city cruising. With just 15,000 miles, this Vulcan has plenty of life left and runs smooth, strong, and effortless, giving you that signature Kawasaki rumble every time you twist the throttle. Dressed in a deep blue finish that gleams under the sun, it carries a timeless look with comfortable ergonomics and solid power delivery. No issues, no drama, just a clean, well-kept motorcycle that's ready to ride today. Whether you're a weekend rider or looking for a dependable daily cruiser, this Vulcan delivers style, comfort, and performance in one sharp package straight out of Tempe, Arizona. 2002 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. Price: $5,850. Mileage: 15,610 miles. Location: Buckeye, Arizona. This 2002 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide is pure American muscle on two wheels, powered by Harley's legendary 88 cubic inch V-twin engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, delivering a throaty roar and 78 ft-lbs of torque at just 2,900 revolutions per minute. Finished in a bold sunburst yellow, this bike turns heads wherever it rolls, embodying that unmistakable Harley attitude and freedom-filled spirit. Equipped with a Screamin' Eagle performance kit, it breathes deeper and runs stronger than your average Dyna, giving you that perfect blend of power, reliability, and old-school soul. Owned and cared for over 4 solid years, this Wide Glide has proven to be rock-solid and problem-free, ready to hit the open road once again. A few cosmetic scars tell its story, but the engine is clean, tight, and full of life. 2010 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe. Price: $10,000. Mileage: less than 40,000 miles. Location: Fishers, Indiana. This 2010 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe is the definition of classic American craftsmanship, dripping in chrome, gleaming with pride, and running smoother than ever. Kept in A1 condition, this beauty has been garage-stored, dealer-serviced, and pampered its whole life. Powered by Harley's legendary twin-cam engine, it delivers that deep, unmistakable Harley rumble with effortless torque and timeless style. Every mile feels like freedom, every start a heartbeat of raw power and precision. With maintenance records available and all work performed exclusively at Harley-Davidson dealerships, this Deluxe is as reliable as it is stunning. No issues, no surprises, just a clean, powerful machine built to ride and impress. 2003 Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper. Price: $7,500. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Fife, Alabama. This 2003 Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper is pure muscle and attitude on two wheels, a bold statement of American power and craftsmanship. With a cam-upgraded 1340 EVO engine, it roars to life with that deep, thunderous Harley growl that turns heads from blocks away. Every inch of this machine is custom-built and upgraded, from the sculpted handlebars to the massive 240 rear tire and commanding 23-inch front wheel. Nothing about this bike whispers, it shouts performance, presence, and pride. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a one-of-a-kind creation built for riders who crave individuality and power. Clean, sleek, and dripping with custom details, this Harley runs as mean as it looks. If you want a show-stopping chopper that's ready to own the streets of Fife, Alabama, this beast is calling your name. 2004 Harley-Davidson. Price: $4,200. Mileage: 57,257 miles. Location: Cincinnati, Ohio. This 2004 Harley-Davidson FXLR Heritage Softail Classic is a custom-built head-turner that blends old-school style with a modern edge. Drenched in deep blue paint with blacked-out chrome accents, this bike looks as mean as it sounds. Powered by a strong fuel-injected V-twin engine paired with Vance and Heinz short-shot exhausts, it growls with authority every time you twist the throttle. From the burly handlebars to the Corbin seat, every detail screams comfort and custom craftsmanship. The bike features LED lighting all around, including an upgraded headlight, integrated turn signals, and a glowing blue neon underglow that makes it pop at night. With custom wheels, a lowered stance, and sleek skull-accented grips and details, it's got the perfect mix of rebellion and refinement. Despite a quirky speedometer sensor, this Softail runs and rides beautifully, ready to cruise the streets of Cincinnati, Ohio, and steal the spotlight wherever it goes. 2002 Suzuki Intruder 1500. Price, $3,800. Mileage, 22,000 miles. Location, Bay City, Michigan. This 2002 Suzuki Intruder 1500 is a bold and beautifully maintained cruiser built for comfort, reliability, and raw road presence. Powered by a 1,500 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it delivers that deep, throaty rumble and smooth torque that make every ride feel effortless. The bike comes loaded with new tires, brakes, plugs, air and fuel filters, and a fresh oil change, ensuring it's ready to hit the highway or cruise through town without a worry. Finished in a clean white exterior that gleams under the sun, this Intruder features saddlebags, a dual USB charger, and connections for a battery tender for convenience on long hauls. The rear seat and backrests are included but currently removed, perfect for solo rides or easy reinstall if you're taking a passenger. This machine has been well loved and meticulously cared for, with no issues and a freshly tightened exhaust that purrs perfectly now. 2018 Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 17,000 miles. Location, Menifee, California. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage is a striking example of modern classic craftsmanship, boasting only 17,000 miles of gentle use. At its heart, it's powered by a 107 CI Milwaukee 8 engine, delivering smooth torque, iconic Harley rumble, and effortless cruising power. The bike has been upgraded with brand new Dyna 21-inch front and 18-inch rear rims and tires, giving it a bold, aggressive stance on the road, while the LED headlight with visors ensures maximum visibility and style. Finished in sleek black, this Softail Heritage also features front crash bars and comes fully registered with a clean title and pink slip in hand. Its condition is immaculate, practically showroom-ready, and it promises an unmatched ride experience with every twist of the throttle. Whether you're a collector or a passionate rider, this Harley is a head-turner, a cruiser that blends classic Harley charm with modern upgrades and superior comfort. 2000 Harley-Davidson Custom Softail. Price: $6,500. Mileage: 8,800 miles. Location: Plainwell, Michigan. This 2000 Harley-Davidson Custom Softail is a finely crafted machine built for riders who love power, style, and precision. Featuring a Harley Softail frame with stretch tanks for that elongated, aggressive look, it's powered by a 96-inch SNS motor that delivers smooth yet thrilling torque. The bike comes with a brand new rebuilt Softail transmission, $500, and a new Scorpion clutch. 1987 Harley-Davidson FXLR. Price: $5,000. Location: Dixon, Illinois. This 1987 Harley-Davidson FXLR is a classic rider's dream, combining vintage charm with reliable performance. Known for its smooth-running engine and sturdy FXLR frame, this bike offers a strong, dependable ride. Last summer, over $1,400 in maintenance work was invested to keep it in prime condition, ensuring it runs and rides great for years to come. With its classic Harley lines, comfortable seating, and responsive handling, this FXLR is perfect for cruising through town or hitting the open road. The bike retains its original character while benefiting from recent upgrades, making it a rare find for collectors or anyone seeking a solid, ready-to-ride Harley. Price is firm, reflecting the care and quality packed into this vintage machine. 2012 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price: $10,500. Mileage: 24,981 miles. Location: Anderson, South Carolina. This 2012 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy is a bold, muscular cruiser with a stunning blue finish that catches the eye at every turn. Powered by a torquey V-twin engine and paired with a smooth manual transmission, it delivers classic Harley rumble and confident street presence. With lots of thoughtful upgrades, this bike is ready to hit the road immediately and offers a perfect mix of performance and style. Whether you're cruising the highways or showing off at local rides, the Fat Boy's strong engine, solid handling, and iconic design make it a standout in any collection. Two careful owners have kept it in excellent condition, and while the current owner is open to trades for a diesel truck of equal value, this Fat Boy is truly a ready-to-ride powerhouse for any Harley enthusiast.